Hello to you! Yes, you have guessed it. This week's video blog is going to be about pointing! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! So we're going to talk about communicative gestures. So, and one thing that we really want to encourage our children to do on the spectrum is to really point. It's going to be very useful for them. So, there are a couple of ways that you can use this really great, fine and dandy pointing tool that we created, which is just a cardboard cutout of a giant pointing arm. And on the back we've just put, this is to keep it straight and also so you can hold it really easily, we just put a tube for you there. Okay, so the first stage is you want to model how to use this for your lovely child, which is Kimmy here. And so let's say your child might be nonverbal and they're looking up at the shelf. And it's clear what they want because they're looking right at the, I see you're looking at the blanket. I'm going to point to the blanket. Yes! And then you bring down the blanket for your child. Let's say maybe your child has a few single words. Hat. Ah, yes, I point to the hat to get the hat. So you're really showing how they can use this to indicate what they want. So you use this yourself for a while. Then you get your child to use it. So let's say they're at the shelf, they're looking up, and you'll say, I'll get you what you want. Point to it and I shall get it. Yes, and you point really fast. Point to something else and I'll get it. Woohoo! And you could have fun using this and pointing to different parts of your body to tickle, etc. Then the third stage is you want to show your child, and maybe they can practice actually you pointing themselves by copying the arm. Ooh. So then you're like maybe at the shelf again, and they're looking, so you're using the pointer at the blanket, and then you say, now you use your arm like this, like let's be the pointer. Woohoo! And that's when you actually ask them to use their own arm too. So it's a 3-stage effect, which is really fun, exciting, and very effective for your child. So enjoy pointing and pointing and pointing and pointing and pointing and pointing.